Hello students, today we will do some question of the worksheet of chapter 8 quadrilaterals. So question number 1, how many diagonals a regular hexagon has? Students, to calculate the number of the diagonals we are having the formula n into n minus 3 upon 2. A regular hexagon has 6 sides. So the value of n is 6. So put the value n is equal to 6 in this formula. 6 minus 3 upon 2, 2 3 is a 6. 6 minus 3 3 is a 9. So it means there are 9 diagonals in a regular hexagon. By this formula you can calculate the number of diagonal of any figure. Suppose pentagon, then 5 into 5 minus 3 upon 2. 5 minus 3 upon 2, 2 to cancel out. So 5. So by this formula you can calculate the number of diagonals of any figure, and that has the equal sides. So the figure must be regular. Question number 2. What is the measure of the smallest interior angle possible for a regular polygon? See, smallest interior angle in the regular polygon, the number of sides 3. It is equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle has the minimum number of sides and it is the minimum regular figure. So it is a minimum regular polygon. So we will take the equilateral triangle, and equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degree. So the answer is smallest interior angle is 60 degree. Question number 3. Find the sum of the interior angle of a convex polygon having 12 sides. Now again there is a formula to calculate the sum of the interior angles. The formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. N is 12. We have to calculate the sum of the interior angle of the figure having 12 sides. So just put the value 12. 12 minus 2 into 180. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 into 180 is 1800 degree. So sum of the interior angle of convex conical having 12 sides, that is 1800 degree. Now come to the question number 4. The sum of two angles of quadrilateral is 165. The other two angles are in the ratio 2:3. Find these angles. So sum of two angles 165 degree. Suppose it is angle 1 plus angle 2 165 degree. Let other two angles 2x and 3x. So according to the angles and property of quadrilateral, angle 1 plus angle this is angle 3, this is angle 4, and this is the sum of two angles is equal to 360 degree. By angles and property, calculate the value of x. X is 39. So the value of angle 3 is 2x, that is 78, and angle 4 is 3x, that is 117 degree. Now next question. PQRS is a parallelogram whose diagonals PR and SQ intersect at O. If OP is 7.5 and SQ is 5 cm less than PR, find QS. This is the figure of parallelogram PQRS. These two diagonals PR and QS intersect at O. It is given OP is 7.5. We are having the property of the parallelogram that the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. That means OP is equal to OR, OS is equal to OQ. So OP is equal to OR, that means this complete PR will be the twice of OP. So PR is equal to twice of O, because we know that OP is equal to half of PR, because the diagonal bisect each other. So PR will be equal to twice of OP. Now we are having the value of OP 2 into 7.5, that is 15 centimeter. Now the value of SQ is given 5 centimeter less than PR. So PR minus 5, it is given PR 15, 15 minus 5, 10. Now this complete SQ is 10 and OS is equal to OQ. Now we have to calculate the value of OS. OS will be half of SQ, because the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Half into 10, 5 centimeter. So this is your answer. So the value of OS is 5 and the value of PR is 15 centimeter. Now next, ABCD is a rectangle. The diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at O. Find the value of X if OA is equal to this and OC is equal to this. Now, this is the rectangle ABCD. These two diagonal intersect at O. Now, OA is equal to X plus 2. It is given. And OC is equal to 2X minus 1. Again, it is given. C. OA and OC. In the diagonals of the rectangle bisect each other, therefore OA will equal to OC. Put the value of OA, put the value of OC. X plus 2 is 2x minus 1. So solve the x is equal to 3 centimeter. Student, in these questions it is compulsory to write the property of the given figure. So today we have done question number 1 to 6. So students, you have to do these 6 questions of the worksheet in your classwork notebook. Okay students, bye bye.